Improving your partner program conversion rates on PartnerStack is one of the smartest ways to maximize the potential of your affiliate and partner networks. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to refine your strategies, this video will show you the best ways to boost those numbers and make your program a standout success. Now, if you're looking to try out PartnerStack, you can use it for free with exclusive bonuses through the link in the description below. PartnerStack is built for businesses looking to scale their partner programs with ease. But what really sets it apart is its ability to manage and optimize conversion rates. To get the best results, we need to dive into a few key strategies. First, understand that your partners are an extension of your brand. It's crucial to ensure your partner onboarding process is smooth and informative. The more confident your partners are in your product and their role, the better the conversion rates will be. Use the PartnerStack dashboard to set up an easy-to-follow, comprehensive onboarding process with training materials that partners can access right from the start. Another major factor is incentivization. PartnerStack allows you to customize commission structures to motivate your partners. Whether you use flat fees, performance-based bonuses, or recurring commissions, make sure these incentives are clear and aligned with your goals. A strong commission structure is a big motivator for your partners to push your product further. The next area to focus on is tracking performance. PartnerStack's detailed reporting tools will give you insights into what's working and what isn't. Make use of this data to identify high-performing partners and adjust your strategy for underperforming ones. Understanding conversion metrics, from clicks to sales, allows you to make real-time improvements. It's all about analyzing this data to optimize your partner program. Moreover, communication is key. Keep your partners in the loop and make them feel valued. Regular updates on new products, promotions, and incentives can drive better results. Using PartnerStack's automated messaging features, you can ensure that your partners receive timely notifications and updates on their performance. This helps maintain a strong relationship with your partners and keeps them engaged. Don't overlook the power of gamification. Adding a competitive element to your partner program can drastically boost engagement. PartnerStack has gamification tools that allow you to set up leaderboards and give rewards for top performers. People love recognition, and creating friendly competition among your partners can drive better conversion rates as they push each other to succeed. Finally, the user experience matters. Make sure your program is easy to navigate and that partners can quickly access everything they need. PartnerStack offers customizable interfaces that you can tailor to match your brand, ensuring a seamless experience for your partners. Now, if you're ready to take your partner program to the next level, remember that you can get an extended free trial through the link below. This gives you the opportunity to test out all of PartnerStack's features without any commitment. In conclusion, improving partner program conversion rates on PartnerStack involves optimizing your onboarding, offering clear incentives, tracking performance, keeping communication open, adding gamification, and ensuring a smooth user experience. By focusing on these key areas, you'll start seeing a significant boost in your partner-driven sales. Don't forget to check out the link below for an exclusive free trial. Thanks for watching, and good luck scaling your partner program.